Hello YouTube. See these shiny spots? This is the front drive shaft coming off the transfer case. And these are the shiny spots I mentioned in the video yesterday. And there's this wire here. Looks like it's going to this O2 sensor. And it's been rubbing on the drive shaft. So up in here, there's a hole on this housing. This is the ABS brake sensor area location. So this relay here, if you can see this in the camera, was in a hole here, and I pulled that out, so now there's a hole. What I want to do is that when this was here, the slack was here. It was riding up on top of here. Again, it was creating these shiny spots. So it's eventually going to wear through here. Just didn't make sense to me. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take a zip tie, run that through, run this wire through. My idea here is to come up around this here, basically kind of pinch these two together a little bit, and eat up some of that slack. It doesn't really need to be that tight, but, so that's nice. And then we'll just cut off that slack there. And that's it. So now that won't rub anymore. Right? Makes sense? There's a wire up here. I don't know if my hand... Okay, so it's above the drive shaft. There's this black wire. It's running up to the front of the vehicle. It's super loose. That's from the wiring that the guys did over at Journeys. Oh, great, I got a mosquito trying to attack me under here. I gotta kill it. I gotta kill it. Alright. Okay. So there's your linkage for the transfer case. That red wire comes up and becomes a black wire, and that runs through the front of the vehicle. They just literally tied that in a knot up here. This excess here, they just stuck it through that hole. Yeah, get it done quick, man. Get that next customer in there. So, yeah, I'm unimpressed with the wiring, but I don't know what else to do about that, so I'll have to figure that out at some point. This is where they tucked up the wiring that went to the automatic transfer case, right? That's the new system. This is where the leak was, if you guys remember. It was right here. So I had to have all this removed and more gasket seal added, and obviously there's no more leak, and that was a nice thing. Anyhow, just this is sort of that preventive maintenance I was talking about in the video yesterday. You know, you see a shiny something like that, you know something's rubbing on there. In this case, it was just that wire hanging. It's been doing it for quite some time, and now I don't have to worry. It was just something on my mind. So that's it. I'll see you next time. Yeah, I'm on my back.